the AC300 and two batteries on November 23rd, 2023. They were delivered to me 2 days later to my house. All right. And then a couple months later, I purchased the third battery. So today is April 11th, 2025, and I check my outdoor off-grid building every single day. And today, when I checked it early this morning, I noticed I heard a clicking sound, and that is when I went and looked at the inverter to see if there was an alarm. There was an alarm on lit up icon on the screen. When I clicked on that alarm icon, it flashed really fast, but all I saw were the words low voltage and the screen went off. So I did not have my camera on at that time. So I turned my camera on my cell phone and then I turned it back on to try to catch that alarm again or to get to that screen so that I could screenshot the alarm. But I never could get the screen to come back on. So that is what you're seeing in this video. So I am going to contact Bluetti 4 different ways. I'm going to call them on the telephone and report the issue. I am going to send them an email to their customer service through my Gmail account. I am going to send them a message through eBay because that is where I purchased this unit. Then I also went to the Bluetti website and they have a contact us with your issues form and I filled that out. So that's 4 different ways I'm contacting Bluetti to get this issue resolved. This AC300 is very important to my homestead. This is my off-grid building. I run my off-grid building off-grid. There is no power or grid electricity in that building. That building has my refrigerator and my freezer that run off of solar 24/7. I haven't had any issues with my inverter. This is the first issue I've had. I check it every single day. I check to make sure there were no alarms, and there never has been. I've never had an issue. So I'm hoping that they will replace this because it is under full warranty, Bluetti warranty, and also eBay gives me a 2-year all-state warranty, but I would rather go through Bluetti first, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I will keep everybody who's on my YouTube channel updated how Bluetti handles this. Do they act quickly and give me a replacement, or are they going to give me the runaround? How's it going to work out? I will keep you guys all updated because, as you know, I believe in telling the truth and being honest all the time of all of the products. I was not given this product. I purchased it with my own money. All right? Well, I'll keep you all posted. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye. All right, I'm recording this so that I can show Bluetti what's wrong with my AC300. All right, so everything is turned off. The power from the solar panels is turned off and not inputting into the AC300 inverter. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on so that you can see there's an error message alarm that comes up. But the machine starts to blink really fast, so I have to catch it. And you're going to hear a loud clicking sound coming from the inverter. Okay, I hear it turning on. Let's see if you can see this. Okay, see how the screen went off? A loud clicking. I'm going to turn it off again. There it goes. But here it turned right back on. I turned it off and it turned back on by itself. Let's turn it off again. Okay, it's powering down. And look, it turned back on. The batteries are off. Now it's off.